it was the first song we did today, and it was just a jam. We quit our the other band we were in, and we decided we just start another band doing basically the same stuff, and we had a jam, and that became the first song we did today. Our style of music might think it will, most people will say it's kind of metal or crystal or whatever, but somebody in the streets that doesn't know this kind of music, it'll probably just noise. Very aggressive, loud music.
We're not looking for a certain kind of sound. Just what you're saying, it evolves, and it feels very free. We can do whatever we want. It's not
every time we write a new song, we just discuss what everybody wants, what kind of looking at the songs that we have, what we feel up to, what kind of song we want to make. If we want to make a quiet song, or a really fast song, or a long, short, whatever, we just talk about it, and then
pop structures.
Yeah, we have pop structures, I think, but somehow we just end up. Mostly we just talk about it before, and then something comes out, start playing.